Sorry, I apologize for the humming. That is something I do when I get bored. But I probably look like a freaking lunatic when I'm doing it in public. But whatever. At least I'm not wearing my pajamas. Alright. I'm supposed to follow this all the way to back to 60, which is a road I was already on. What do we got here? Rock Bottom. That looks like a nice little... That might have to be a future spot to pull over to take a ride to. Grab a beer. Alright, can I open her up yet? What's going on? Pop on. Meow. There we go. Wonder why that house is on stilts. Does the water get that freaking high? If it did, that whole house would be underwater. Alright, this is pretty sweet. Okay. Do I keep going straight here? I do not know what road this is. What are you doing? This is County Road 2. I don't want County Road 2. I'm supposed to go all the way to 60, so maybe I should turn around. In fact, I think I'm going to pull over and have a schmigarette. I'm going to see if I can get cell phone service here and see exactly where I am. Alright, I hope you can hear me. Maybe I'll try to talk louder. Oh, by the way, I just got a notification. Jeff Tilgman, thanks for subscribing, dude. I appreciate it. I gotta take a leak. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, we're back. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see, but I got a new pair of boots for riding. Brand new pair of Red Wings. Hopefully you can see them alright. Sure comes in handy when your girlfriend's mom works for Red Wing and can get you a nice little discount. Well, I shouldn't say little discount, got them for half off, so hooray for that. Boom. Let's do this. Oh dear. There we go. Oh shit. Really? And now we're on gravel. Huh. Alright, whatever. I guess it is what it is now. At least it's pretty hard packed. Actually, as far as gravel roads go, this is probably one of the best ones I've ever been on. There you go, house for sale. It's a fixer-upper. I went to the Harley dealer like 2 days before the Patriot ride because I wanted to get a flag mount and an American flag to put on my bike so that I could represent during the ride. And of course the guy in front of me got the last one that they had on the shelf. I got a little annoyed at the guy behind the counter. I'm like, guys, it's like 5 days before 4th of July and you didn't think to maybe get in a little extra American flags? So I don't know, I'll have to just try to remember to get one in the next month or so, and then I'll have it for next year. That looks like it'd be a pretty kick-ass creek or river to go tubing or kayaking down. When I left, I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I left from my cigarette break, there was an outfitter across the road that had a bunch of kayaks and stuff. So they must do some of that down here. So my girlfriend and I were talking, and since we're doing Sturgis this year, we were thinking hopefully next year. I was getting real excited now that Adam Sandoval got his campground. I think it would be pretty frickin' sweet to get out there. And I googled it the other day. If we just head straight there, no back roads, just hop on the highway and get there, Google says it's just under 12 hours away, which ain't bad. I think it's something we could do in a day. However, it's something we probably would split up into 2 days. I think it would be really awesome if we could plan a weekend, or maybe if Adam Sandoval planned a weekend where he got some other YouTubers out there. I am super excited about his campground, and I would love to help the guy, help support him in his endeavor to help veterans. I myself am related to a few veterans. A lot of my uncles, a couple uncles that were in Vietnam and Korea. My godfather was a Vietnam vet who unfortunately took his own life when I was pretty young. He had a very high alcohol dependency, I guess is the nice way of putting it. And from what I hear from my dad and my other relatives, is that when he came back a completely different person, which is unfortunate. So yeah, we lost him. I do have a couple other uncles that were in Vietnam. My Uncle Kenny, he absolutely refuses to even talk about it. I also have a cousin on my stepdad's side of the family. He was younger than me. He joined the service, and he went to Iraq and a couple other places. I think he might have been stationed in South Korea. About a year after he came back and got out of the service, I think he just did his 4 years or whatever the expected minimum is. And yeah, he met a girl, and they were just getting ready to hit, you know, get real serious and move in together and whatnot, and he ended up getting in a car accident. The worst part about it is that he got in a car accident when he was out of state, so then they had to ship his body back here. And yeah, that was one of the saddest funerals I had ever seen. I am all about supporting vets and current military personnel. Of course, if you're comparing yourself to the kind of stuff that Adam Sandoval puts together, I mean, we're all extremely lagging behind, and I don't even know if we could catch up at this point. But I do like to go on motorcycle rides that support veterans' causes, and it sounds like, at least with the initial idea, it sounds like my girlfriend would be all for it. So, what is that? Huh? I don't know what the hell's going on over there. All right, looks like we're finally reaching some pavement here. Just what I want. Oh, son of a bitch. I doubt there's anywhere to pass this guy in this road either. So you guys should let me know in the comments what you think. If you've been watching Adam's channel, if you've been getting as excited as I have about his campground endeavors. It'd be cool if we could all, if we could get a group of people together to take off the same weekend sometime next summer. Spring, summer, fall, whatever works for people, and get a good meetup down there and go support Adam in his campground, and say hi to some vets who will hopefully be camping there. That'd be sweet. This is, I mean, dude's not even going the speed limit, so this This might suck for a while. Well, 10 minutes later, and we're stuck going 35 miles an hour around all these fun curves. Crap. Potato, potato, potato. Seriously? Why? Dude's not even going to the speed limit. Oh, and here's the passing zone. But knowing my luck, had I waited till this frickin' spot in the road, there would have been other cars here and I wouldn't have been able to go around them. Anyway, this is the road that we took on our group ride of about 20 a couple weekends ago. It's a really fun road. It's a really cool road. It's what, Highway 60. However, it's not in the best of shape. Every single one of these cracks, I don't know if you could tell in the video, but every single one of these cracks is noticeable. Many of them are extremely noticeable, so I don't know if they need to get out here and fill in these expansion joints again or something. I got just a tiny bit of battery left, so I'm gonna have to pull over and switch batteries here. Oh, what do we got here? State Forest. Ooh. Alright, we'll pull in here. Looks like there's a roundabout of some sort. Maybe. Maybe. Oh God, am I gonna get myself fucking stuck somewhere? Where the hell is this thing going? Oh, and it looks like there's bathrooms over there. Maybe I should have went that way. Alright, well. This is an adventure to say the least. Oh dear God, where the fuck am I going? Alrighty. Okay. Alright. So I happened upon State Forest, Kruger State Forest Campground. I don't know if you can hear that in the distance. Sounds like somebody's got a chainsaw going. Looks like they got some new fire pits stacked up here. Come on. Here we go. Boy, that's a bit of a workout. This video is probably going to be a lot longer than I anticipated, and I apologize, but also kudos to anyone who watched the whole thing through. So maybe you guys should let me know in the comments if you were one of those who watched the whole thing through. So take a short jaunt through here and see if we could scope out some campsites. Wonder if anyone's camping right now. Got some small ones in here. Bit of a tight squeeze. Geez, in fact, once you get your car parked in there, there's really not much space to set up a tent. Okay, that's it. We're already rounding back. There is nobody here. So, not the, definitely not the biggest campground in the world. Oh, it looks like there's more sites down here. Oh yeah. Cool, not bad. Oh, I guess that's it. Now I gotta go back the way I came. Alrighty then. Holy shit. I really hope I don't run into other traffic. Alright. Back where I came from. Scenic overlook. Should I stop? I didn't get to stop the other day when I was on that group ride, so maybe I will. Why not? This video's already freaking long enough, so might as well add some more shite to it. I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, but that's pretty sweet. Mississippi over there. Wisconsin on the other side. Looking over there, I bet you could see about 20, 30 frickin' miles. This is as close as we get to mountains here in Minnesota. Is something like this. River bluffs on the Mississippi. If you go way up north to the north shore of Lake Superior, there are some higher elevations. Alright, now I need to get gas. I think I'll just call it the end of the day, the end of the vlog. Yeah, well, hey, thanks for sticking it out with me on this video. I do appreciate you watching. Big thumbs up to all you guys who are new subscribers. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up if you think this video is a waste of your time. And anyways, we'll dippity do it another time, alright? Peace.